a lot of freedom fighters had sacrificed their lives for our mother nation India. Mother nation India. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is also one of the great freedom fighters and nationalists. Today, it's Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose 128th birthday, so let's know more about him. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He is popularly known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, militant, freedom fighter and patriot. In 1938, Subhash Chandra Bose became the President of Indian National Congress. Subhash Gandhi because he was violent freedom fighter. The Azad Hind Force was formed by Subhash Chandra Bose in 1942. Subhash Chandra Bose also gave this famous slogan, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुमको आजादी दूंगा," which means "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose also wrote a book named The Great Indian Struggle to explain the history of independence movement. It is said that Subhash Chandra Bose is died in 18 August 1945 in plane crash. Thank you.